There's a bacteria silently eating away your stomach lining right now. Meet H. pylori, a bacteria that enters into your stomach and settles in a region called as the antrum. But here's the problem. It needs a less acidic environment to survive. So it hides deep inside your stomach's mucus layer. And once it is there, it releases a toxin that hyperactivates your H2 enzymes. This forces your stomach to overproduce acid, way more than your body needs. That's what gives you that chest burning, the acidity, the constant discomfort that you have been dealing with. But it doesn't just stop there. H. pylori damages the very mucus lining that protects your stomach cells, leaving them exposed, inflamed, and vulnerable, making your condition even worse over time. The good news is H. pylori can be treated permanently without relying on antibiotics. So comment HP below and I'll share with you exactly how we help our patients reverse H. pylori naturally and heal their gut from the root. Or click the link in the bio to watch our full protocol.